I know you don't have
It's something that
I would say probably you're wrong. Because they want a 1 hour, but not every day, right? So if I can prepare maybe 2 days for you and then 1 day for her, it'll be at least 3 days.
yeah.
She was really cute. I was in the back.
Oh, the big brother is watching you? Emily says it.
Mr. Yeah.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
What is
Wait,
it?
I'm going to tattoo. What? Is that chocolate or chocolate?
What's wrong?
Sunshine National Art Society.
Nerd.
No.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely better looking at Look at that ugly. I won't join the club. I don't know who's sponsored that club. It's a Raja club.
I can't see. I can hide.
Yeah, see, you cannot see. Oh, no, you don't put on top. Yeah, you put on the bottom. That's my club.
I mean,
It's much that I don't like. Actually,
Hello.
what can I do for you?
I need your opinion on something.
I'll top 3.
That was your
And that's what I'm telling you. Don't convince people to join double block. That's not a reason.
That's the reason. That's not. That has nothing. I have not used any calculus for Calc 3 so far.
It's a dot product and cross product.
Yeah, so that's not calculus.
Okay, what opinion you need?
So I'm wondering if I should withdraw.
See, that's why I told everybody don't join double block. If
Oh
you
my
don't
God.
join double block, you'll be VC Cup right now. Be perfect.
For your information, I know sophomores who are taking AP Calc AB. How is that any different from taking a
He did that.
Huh?
Hey, Tyson.
No, but they're not taking.
What are we doing?
But AB is still pretty hard for us.
Yeah, but you should pick AP. Then
I don't know where you
trust you have a second chance.
I'll pick it out.
Not everybody can score 5, and only 4 of you guys out of 14. That's pretty low rate.
Okay, but that's also the thing. I scored a 5 on the exam, so I should be better.
And I'm gonna tell you the AP calculus is the version of calculus. So that's just like I just talked to them about this. See, if you take your calculus skill right now, we'll take the Calc 3 we'll take Calc 1 over their UCF. We're not talking about Harvard. We're talking about UCF. You would have had a B. You would not have an A. You want me to show you the UCF test look like? You cannot handle
I
it.
actually signed up, but I thought it was
It's
like
gonna be a curve sketching
but it's for the.
without anything. There's no calculator on the whole test.
Do
So you don't have
know?
that. I don't have 3, but I don't know enough to teach. I'm not smart enough to do that. But there are people who can do it. That's what I'm trying to tell you that you didn't believe me. But
No, it wasn't.
for you it's too late. For you it's fine. That is better than other situations. Now for your counter argument, it's actually told their parents not to take notes. I told you say that whoever I saw from our take it might be, yeah. But just I told them not to take notes to pick the first state.
Yeah, I can probably talk about.
And that's just because I think, yeah, so even like, so for your opinion, for my opinion is you can actually vote. Yeah, I know how to start. I mean, that's the only honest. Well, I only tell you the truth. Like I said, I don't like the kid. Even though as much as I don't like the kid, I think you can do it, but it's gonna be hard work. So Bishop did it.
Did it? Did he do it with you?
You did it good. But you can probably ask somebody else to help you with it. He can help you. He's a sophomore. He's taking calculus. He's sophomore taking calculus.
He's currently taking
Yes.
it already.
He's sophomore taking calculus right now as we speak.
How do you?
He's like BC freshman. He's self-study.
Wait, you're not taking it. I'm not.
No, we did that.
I covered.
She goes to be
I think Monday.
So he got BC and AP. So that's why I say it's much better to take AP and BC. Look at it. Not a lot of people like you, but some of my students had to help you. Unlike you, you had to do that.
Yes, I do need help on stuff. I know I need help on stuff. But I need to know if I'm thinking
Depends
about
on how much you want to do. What do you want to major in though?
See, that's also the thing. I don't know if I want to do something that I can try.
Exactly, and that's more a reason why you should not take double block. But
That's not the same. That's not. I'm not going to block out.
okay, fine. If you don't do it, then don't take it. Taking college, and then I will even just say even if you want to take calculus, you want to go. I will tell you.
But having
I will get us to credit.
if it,
Yeah, I'm gonna age. I have age minus that's over minus age.
Yeah, then you take it, then here's the thing. I can help you. See,
so you have to.
I'm much better than Cooper for telling people the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I'm trying to help you right now.
How do
If you really want to help and you want to get it better,
Yeah, he's that.
you can go look at it.
Eight four zero. Lane my bad.
LEONARD. Go up YouTube. Watch
Wait, so
all his lectures. He is the most detailed person that you can find on the face of YouTube.
What?
A lot of YouTube kids, a lot of web kids use him in order to pass Cal 3 and differentiate.
That's minus 10.
So,
Or minus
no, I'm trying to help you, but I'm not trying to give you a hard time, but I'm just trying to tell you, don't tell people to join double block. That's the dumbest thing to do. No offense to Cooper. So even the funny thing is I talked to Cooper this. I had a confrontation with him. And I talked to him. I said, look, that class is not for everybody. For you, it's fine. For not even Brian. It's Brian got a 4. It's for all of us, like Madison, you, and 2 other kids. Logan, and then 4 other kids who can get a try, the first try. That's fine. But even
Like
you,
F2,
then
you plug in.
so you're not able to join the class. Where they don't.
You plug in X plus 8.
With that senior, I understand. So me and him come to agreement that block class should be senior.
So you do.
It should be senior taking A, B, B, C, double
Yeah,
block.
I get the one.
That's fine. That's
But
fine.
anyone like who
It's not
notices?
great, but it's understandable.
Okay,
But even though that he knows that's true, he still wanted people to be in his class, which is I don't think that's right. Now I'm gonna be upfront. Hoping you do not care about what people.
Like, I'm glad you go through.
I'm gonna say, please don't.
And I did F too.
Block, because that is not a good route for people.
Okay.
I have a student from MIT.
If I say
She
F2,
says the AP
What do you
calculus
call it?
does not able to pass MIT placement.
if I say
Even
I've
if
got
it's
X plus H, what do you plug in for
So
X?
you should not take it as double block in 1 year.
So this is X. What do you
Do
plug
me
in
a
for
favor,
X?
just don't.
Also,
tell
you just
people to go to double
Oh yeah,
block.
X plus 8.
It's not a sound route. And that's not, I'm trying to, I can even tell the school, I don't want to calculate,
It's
I
negative
don't care.
Negative 10x.
Because if that's still happening, I know what he's doing right now, he's gonna go out of the calculator, full block is like, yeah.
Negative 10 and minus 10x.
Double block, and I have a second, I don't care about that.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna care is are you doing the right thing to kids? That is not the right thing to kids, no,
Yes.
it's not.
No.
It's something I know I can work with. And I know Visham did it, I know you're smart enough to do it, but it's gonna be hard for you because that's a three-dimensional. It's all surface, it's all not product, it's all product.
Yeah.
It's the part without TA.
And the processors aren't.
Yeah, it's probably true, but Professor Leonard will save your ass.
What should I just plug in 0 now?
Leonard.
Leonard.
Yeah, if I were you, I watch their team has a playlist for top one,
Yeah.
and that's only person can save you. But do me a favor, don't convince people to join double block. It doesn't do the kids justice. Not if the kids are good. For example, there was one kid that played
My
baseball.
name is negative 20x,
He
right?
was good, the white kid. He played baseball. Not Logan, but yeah. He come and ask me, he said, I'm senior, I really want to do this. And I check out his
Now mine is
skill, I said, yeah, you're qualified, you should join. I didn't tell him to come to my class, I told him that I would rather have you, but if you make a decision that you wanna go there, you should be there.
Why would
because
you
that's
have to?
a decision for you. Robert, same thing, he asked me, I said, okay, you're senior, understandable. I would tell people to
No,
write
it's like, why would you do that?
rather than push kids into that situation,
Well,
which is, I already told you, I made a mistake on mine.
Savers is
In
one.
mine, I do have a top
Okay,
one.
let's hit 8
And that was
minus
my
10x
mistake.
over 8, okay?
I miscalculated.
Combine 19 you get
And
negative
that's
20x
this is the
minus
truth.
10 8,
And
right?
Yes.
I own
Over
my
8.
mistake.
Okay.
But I think Vivida can do it, and, you know, and that was my mistake. So that's what I told you that a lot of time, I'd rather tell people the truth rather than tell them, thing. What happened with 10 out of 14 of you guys? Those 10 kids go to UCF, they cannot take Calc 3 because they did not get enough to take Calc 3. Even people who got a 5 cannot take Calc 3.
Wow.
How is
Another big
people
in
who
this
agree to take Calc 3?
takes. 80.
Why is it not,
I
it's
think it
not
was another
fair
big in
for
school.
those kids, right? Now, even they go to UCF, they got a 3, they have to retake it. They have to retake Calc 1 and Calc 2. So I wish people would know the truth rather than, that's why I'm extremely passionate about it. I don't mind to help you. I won't mind to, actually, me and Xavier is about to have a long talk in a second, because I'm gonna be honest to him, and he might not like it. But I'm gonna tell, even Xavier is my favorite kid. I'm still gonna tell him that whatever the truth is. Even better, I will tell him, stop asking me questions. Start to look at your own notes. Start looking at your own things. Those are the things that I will tell you, like, you know, please don't tell people they don't have to double block. That's what it is. I mean, I understand Madison can do, get it, and Madison can do Calc 3, yeah, I understand that. I understand you can do Calc 3, but even you are tentatively about Calc 3. I think about Logan. Logan, I don't know anything about Logan. I don't know what other kids got a 5. I have no idea. But yeah, he's told me the truth is, it's not a security exam. It's not everyone do that. Look, the kid go to MIT only take out 1. He didn't even take BC exam because she knew that BC exam is not good enough. And she knew it doesn't matter result. She knows that she had to take a placing exam. So she went to open courseware and to take MIT course. Yeah. And even I was teaching it. And I think I'm damn good about Calc 1. Because I have 60% in my period 6 passed with a 5. 60%. I have overall it's 50%, almost 50% passed with a
Negative
5.
20 x over
So I know the damn thing.
Negative
The
20
only,
over 0.
there's no other school in our county that's better. than us. Cooper knows that. Cooper says you did a good job, and I know that's true. And I know that's true, but I do want people to make sure that I'm helping you just because hopefully you can help people pass the right knowledge, pass the right. I'm sure that you would have been fine.
I will not tell people that, and I will tell people about the Calc 1. And then, okay, I just wanted to have your opinion about the Calc 3.
You cannot withdraw right now. It's too late for you to go down to show a W. It's gonna hurt you.
Okay.
So go to Professor Lanier and go to Luke Davis.
Sorry.
So those two people can help you. Luke Davis can probably help you. He's really good. You want me to introduce you to him? Okay, come back up on Friday. I'll introduce you to him. He will take care of you. But Professor Lanier is you're gonna start today.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Sorry, I ran going on.
No, you're fine.
I just
You're
want to
good.
tell people the truth.
Don't worry about it. Bye.
20x and then minus 10.
How is Luke so? Is he just like? Is he?
He self-studied Calc 1 and got a 3. He self-studied at 8th grade. The people who can do that on self-study is different species. They are not human. They are robots, better than robots. But he's a different species. He's the one out of 100,000 people who can do that. 100,000. I'm serious about 100,000. But Veda, don't you dare to drop calculus. It doesn't matter what grade you got. Okay. Doesn't matter what grade you got.
No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to Mr. Party's class and go. I'm gonna take college algebra.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do that.
You would never make that shirt right there.
I like the verbal abuse.
10. You like the verbal?
I like the verbal abuse machine.
Yeah, I don't get it.
I have some help with the derivative.
Yeah, definition of derivative.
You don't know how to do that.
No, I forgot it. Once you know to drive in your head, like it's so easy.
Yeah. So you attribute it. So 10x cancel out.
Like, you see, you need the derivative of this. Here's what it's called. This is how you solve them.
Negative 10x
But we
minus
can't use that.
10x, right?
You can't use that.
Negative 10x.
You have to forget it now.
You just.
Wait, hold on.
You're talking about the wrong day. So I can do this.
Oh,
You're
it's
the one
minus,
who-
minus.
No, she's active.
There you go.
Yeah.
You don't
You
even
were-
ask nobody to start the process.
Yeah.
You
I know.
can slow down the pace.
Literally, that happened today because I had to retake a quiz. And
I had to
it's like,
re-explain
Veda,
it.
you
So
just
you asked.
Yeah, you need to calm down.
She's like, you know the information.
Like, you know that one day you're not here for lunch, I was so peaceful because I don't have to hear a person talk 100 miles per hour.
Okay, I won't come out.
Like, no, you should come at lunch, and not like anything. But I don't have to hear a person talk 100 miles per hour, and that's nice. That's like, I can actually.
Yeah, I get it. I get what you mean, Mr. Yeah.
So you can talk like 20 miles per hour.
Okay, got it. Thank you. We'll work on that.
Right, Brian? Do you agree?
Yeah, I totally agree.
Oh. Hey.
Follower.
Hey.
Follower.
The mistake I made
Wait,
was
what is your math team meeting thing?
Monday. This Monday. Sorry.
This
This
Monday?
coming Monday. This coming Monday.
Brian, you had to
I made a mistake because this should be
No.
plus 10x.
just for a minute ago.
And not minus 10x. And that's why. Because it's negative of a negative because it's minus f of x. And f of x is negative 10.
You.
But then h equals 0.
Wait. You know what?
H cancel out. H don't approach 0 yet. If you
Yeah.
add 0, it's going to be 0 with 0.
And then it was multiplied by conjugate, right? Shane?
Oh, what's my conjugate? Just negative 10x plus 10x is 0.
0. But h over h is 1.
But you forgot to distribute the negative 10 to the h.
Oh, okay, perfect. I did it for her. Like, I thought it was wrong for a second.
What?
But minus 10h H. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the oh wait, definition derivative is easy.
There we go. Wow.
Oh my gosh. It seems
Decompress and then compress.
yeah.
Okay, me and you, we have problem. We need to talk.
Yeah.
I know you're trying to fighting for that credit. I'm not giving it to you. It's not because I hate you. It's I want you to train to adopt an obstacle in your life. You're gonna get something that doesn't go along with your way. You're gonna learn how to adopt.
Yeah.
If you don't learn how to adopt, you will never be successful. Unfortunately, I'm gonna tell you.
Right.
You have to learn to adopt whatever doesn't go with your way. You say, fine, I can work with that.
So he.
That's what you have to do.
But when you establish the grading system, you establish what points get what. I'm like, okay, I can deal with that. Let me study my butt off. I'll get as high as I can.
Okay, do you have it here right
Yes.
now? Okay, who give a shit?
Between like.
But college is
I
not going
think
to look at
you
your
have to-
91, and it's not going to look at your 92, it's not going to look at 93, it's going to look at do you have an 8 or not. It doesn't really care about anything else.
I'm fine if it's a 90 the whole year. That's fine. But my grade keeps being B, and eventually the average grade is gonna be
Then
B.
you, guess what? You had to live up to your standard because I have a higher standard for you, so you're going to have to work extra hard to make sure you make the
It
standard.
shouldn't be that hard.
You know what? If I make it easy for you, then I'm weakening you. If you do want me to weaken you, fine. I'll put on 100 from now on. I'll put on every single damn test. I'll put on 100. You gonna make you happy?
No.
Exactly. So shut up. Don't complain about it. Just live with it. You gotta learn to adopt. Like I could say, there's a black kid come to me, asked me, he says, Mr. Ye, why don't let me retake this test? I got 82. I said, I have high expectation of you. The mom come and talk to me, says, look, you're not gonna let my kids take the test. It's because my son's black? No. I said because your son is smart. That's why I have a higher standard for him. If I have a standard for him, then you gotta meet the standard. I don't want to live under your expectation. I want to make sure you exceed the expectation. So don't complain. Just work. See, like even a simple problem, like you make mistake like that. Do you think that you deserve an A? Not yet. And even though you still have an A, you want me to give you a hard time, I'm going to give you a hard time right now. I'm sorry, I'm passionate about what I do. And this is what I'm going to teach you, Xavier. Xavier, you are a smart human being, but one day you're going to receive obstacle, and you're going to have to learn how to stand back up, not to dwell on them. It doesn't help your cause. It doesn't help no one's cause. It doesn't help my cause. It doesn't help your cause. I'm going to make sure you're exceptional. You're national merit. You're not good enough. Guess what? I want you to be better than national merit. A good student go into MIT, they can go and climb from the bottom on the way up. There will be the dumbest kid over there in Harvard. I want you to be the dumbest kid in Harvard and climb your way out. Not to be able to, you are up there already. Just say, oh, you are so focused, you're so drilling on the grade. The grade, it does not mean shit. I'm sorry, the grade does not mean anything. The grade is irrelevant. It's about a person's attitude and chip on the shoulder. It doesn't matter what the score is. Anthony did that. Anthony in second period scored with a 50. Never take pre-calc. Go into my pre-calc class. He scored 50. Didn't complain about it. Climb 74. Climb 83. Climb 94. That's how you improve. And that's how you improve. That even that question that you did not show me that you had a strength. You have to be me told you the honest truth. I'm telling you the honest truth. Just because I care about you.
And you'd be left.
So stop dwelling the past. Whatever is past is gone. You gotta learn to let things go. And then you gotta make sure you get improved. You're going to be best in the world. You cannot handle a little obstacle in the world like this. You cannot handle the real world. I am passionate about what I do. But please, for God's sake, listen to me. I've been saying that since last year to you. And Parati talked about the same thing. And I will tell you, honest truth, you are too sensitive about those things. You need to let things go. No judgment. Let things go. That's how you make it become the best.
negative x minus.
If you're gonna dwell in on the thing,
plus x.
that's gonna be the only thing that prevents you from complex numbers. You hearing me or not?
Positive, but that's just for now.
I promise you, I'm here. Emotion about this is because
I
I
don't know
care
if that
about
makes
you.
sense to you. Right.
Yeah, that's lost.
Okay, we'll talk about it again.
Just stick with it. You know what? There is something you need to improve. Now, you're gonna say like, if I hate you, no, I don't hate you.
Yeah.
I don't hate any of my students, even the worst student.
You wanna get it?
Even
20.
freaking.
Did you get like
I don't
one
even
with the
hate.
denominator instead of negative one?
I don't even hate.
Uh,
I don't. Freaking, that's not a thing. I don't
I
hate
just
anybody.
Plug in for x.
I like any student that comes. I like the student I just met 2 days ago in subway. He said he want to get help. Come here to get help. He said, "Oh, Master, yeah, I want to get help. Don't come in.
negative
Come in to get the next day. Come in. One afternoon, come in to get help.
And then that's.
He's not even taking my class. He's not even complaining about grades. Just complaining I want to get better.
Isn't it already able to
Get better.
No.
There is room for you to improve. You gotta admit it. You haven't met it. That's
Oh,
here.
yeah.
You're lucky I didn't give you my expectation grade. If my expectation grade does not belong there. My expectation is for good kids have high standard.
Okay, okay.
If you want me to put down 100, I can put down any day.
So I just didn't
Just
do that
ask
one.
Yeah, that.
Next time, ask me. This year, I put 100 points on my grade. Okay, no problem. But do you think that deserves? Yes. I want you to understand that, Ian. I want you to understand. Do you know why? I told you before, Alibaba, the biggest company in Amazon in China, why they don't hire number one in the class ranking? They don't
They can't
hire-
deal with failure.
Yes, they can deal with failure. They can adopt. Why is it all the world? They always took the perfect score on SAT, they put it on the side. They don't want a perfect score. They want the imperfections. Because imperfection had room to improve. Failure has room to improve. If you always stay perfect, once you met your first obstacle, your life's done. And you met your first obstacle at 25, you don't know how to get back up. You met your first obstacle at 16, you have the chance to get back up and be stronger kids. Trust me, if you do sports, you know. Michael, would you agree with the situation right there?
Yeah, definitely make stronger.
He just have to say, why is he doing this? Stop thinking about grades. I promise you, it's not healthy. Healthy is, let's think about what's better. All right, I'm done. Sorry.
Thank you, Shan. I get it now. I want to ask for anything else. Better than grades.
Somebody will burst up over. Go to MIT, go to Harvard, go to UF, no matter where you go to. Some of the ones that's causing the first year. You're gonna see, okay, how do I handle it? How do I get back up, okay? Hopefully you learn. I wish you learned. Because we already have this same time we have this conversation.
Yeah, two brackets.
Take your time. Process. Like SAT, you're gonna feel that moment. That shit, things start breaking apart. You have to learn to calm yourself down and see. It's like you in a quicksand in a tennis match. You have enforced error. What do?
Move on.
Yeah. Short-term memory.
I
I have to go out. You like me. Chef does have a short term. It's like 78. I don't remember I got 78.
Okay, wait. I think it's okay. So when you're doing fluence x squared plus x minus
Good. You already speak slower. I'm already happy with that.
you plug in x plus h
Square.
and then you have to do that for all of them minus 3. But then you also have to do
I'm learning.
Minus.
my
Learning again. No, I'm just kidding.
Minus.
I think
all
all
the things. That's what I'm gonna for a visual thing.
okay. Wait, so but
I didn't get to it.
Because that's fx and plus h. That's
Oh,
that's the part you don't
yeah.
understand.
I can hear from you.
I missed it out.
For all the x. For 3 is that's 3 theory.
But all the x and then minus f of x is just the
Or you can.
like original equation.
It's not for our homework, so you're good.
And then do I have to put it in parentheses?
Huh?
Do I have to put it in parentheses?
I can walk you through
Parentheses x squared?
your
Yeah, you had to put minus because this is actually
What happened?
the distribution.
I'll help you out.
Minus sign. If you have to substitute something, you always put minus. Did I say that?
I
Minus
think
sign.
yeah.
trying to do it.
Yes.
If you don't want to plug in,
Oh, I can do it.
Mhm.
plug in, distribute.
Okay, and then just do the all of it.
If you want, I can help you now. Sorry.
Over.
H. See, now I'll
Oh,
actually
minus.
fun.
Oh,
As long as they are legitimate.
So I was rough today and I put a 9 instead.
no, it's you minus.
And I literally was so close to getting that question correct.
Let me do
I did more than that.
Huh?
What are you supposed to make from homework?
You're supposed to use definition or alternative. The definition to find out derivatives of those things.
Oh, I'll come to doing lunch tomorrow. I want to know because I tried to
Ah,
figure out the
I see.
extra confetti on the last test.
We just say.
I think I got it, but I want to come to lunch.
That's fine.
I need to know.
How you guys doing?
Wanted to do that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Taste one, too.
That's what you want to do on everything once you know.
Make
It ruins it.
How you doing? You got the power rule?
Yeah, what I just did.
Here.
Yeah. So I accidentally forgot to squared and not.
So is that the final answer, or is
And then
yeah? What I just wrote was gonna be the one.
Yeah, how many pick up? I didn't pick up.
yeah.
Thing you were doing physics, right?
And
Like,
then
keep on
E,
derivatives.
Yeah.
Is that not the
Just
final?
plug in.
Oh, when I kept doing that, I went from position to velocity to acceleration. Those are all completely different. I did that with derivative. That's what I was doing. Yeah, you can do that.
I had to use this today. It was like really bad.
Oh yeah.
One. Sub mechanics is really not it.
Okay.
No, it should pass. I took it.
I think I'm doing this.
No power. Yeah.
There's no problem. This is like, you have to do it.
Just like follow
Yes.
Like 3 hours.
Well, he barely has any words.
So we're gonna.
Now you learn.
Okay, you know you're gonna have to walk me through that.
The great thing about it.
It might actually.
We're not the same.
There's a rule somewhere.
Actually,
Only one hour.
it has to be a better way.
Club count. I don't know any better.
Cute and then.
Plus 2x h squared.
Okay.
2x squared h. Plus 2x.
2x h squared.
Plus h cubed.
No, there's more. There has to be. There's definitely more.
There's only 4.
Why did you do it right?
Yeah, there's 4.
No, there's 4 per x. Show me the x squared. And there's gonna be x h h squared. Oh, yeah, you just added them. Okay.
You had more than me. I was not ever. But I had it.
I was squared plus.
Yeah, I did it. I had the idea. And he had it. And she said, and you.
Adios, Andrea.
Bye.
So she said, I had it. And then someone else who said, I'm not less than she said, I don't know what you.
Already did.
Whoa.
Oh. Wait, you can't do that. No, I'm just kidding. Fine.
So other than that,
Yeah. Yeah, you can't do that. I can't do 4x each, 2x each, you can't.
Oh, that's why.
let me see.
H squared. No.
Mr. Yin, you said you were going to explain
Plus
the dividing
Plus-
by negative x thing.
No.
11c.
H squared.
Or negative infinity.
All over H.
I took that out and
It looks like,
not correct.
this one, right?
Yeah.
It can't be 2x squared.
No, the square root.
Yeah, so square root of H squared is like up to like that.
Yeah, I think,
Yes.
no, I'm saying wrong.
Because technically definition
Yeah.
is the same, right?
Yes.
So this is square root of X squared, they are the same thing.
Mhm.
So
What are you doing?
you are only
Look, what is the
divided
answer?
by
With
this
H
term.
being 0.
This term doesn't matter.
That's incorrect.
This term is gonna be negative square root
This
of
needs to
X
be a
squared.
3. Something was wrong.
Okay, but it's gonna be
Somewhere
the
in
outside.
here.
So square root of 16x squared
Yeah, it's a 3.
over
This is 3.
square root of x squared is a minus.
Seriously?
Yeah,
And then minus only applies to one term.
you don't even apply to the top. Because it's like saying like this situation right here.
Oh, so you're making. Wouldn't you get the same thing if you just divide by negative x?
Yeah, but that's not what it happened.
Never seen this.
So the square root
We're
of
still dividing by x on everything. And x squared inside.
yeah, but this part is gonna be
You're just gonna multiply by negative one.
negative here, just because only this particular part.
But you said you don't need to divide the other
That's
one.
also incorrect.
Or what?
That one doesn't matter because that one's gonna go to 0 regardless of negative or positive. That's gonna go to 0, whether it's negative 0, positive 0, it's not changing.
And then if it's divided by positive x squared. Inside and multiplied on the outside.
Does that make sense?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, just this particular part is negative x squared, not really positive, how part is.
Wait, the numerator is negative x squared? Negative 16?
This part, taking x squared over negative square root x squared, only in this part. This part can do it too, but it doesn't
Yeah.
make that changes. Because this is gonna go to 0 anyway, you can do that too. but-
But if you do that, doesn't it become square root of the negative?
Oh, I thought I was thinking.
No,
I didn't see this.
it's a negative
Oh,
outside.
But did you say that, isn't negative 16 x squared?
Or alternatively, we just get that, so we. Thanks.
I don't know what is on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
You guys have.
That's just like 4x plus 5, right? Divided by x, divided by x, right? This part is divided by square root. That's the
Yeah.
only part that matters. Because even in this case, if you do that, I know the inside of we're gonna put it outside here, in particular because it goes to infinite. This is what happens. Because it's gonna be negative x, so that's gonna give you a minus square root of 16. This minus sign go to here, and that's what actually happened. And so it's very hard to explain that particular part, but this part doesn't matter. This part doesn't matter because it's gonna go to 0 regardless. And this part is not divided by the negative sign. This one is divided by.
So you're taking this and rewriting it as each one over x squared.
Negative x squared. Negative square root of x squared.
Okay, but I thought we were just dividing by x squared, not by the square root of x squared.
We divided by square root of x squared because if you're inside here, it's gonna be. If it's inside, if it looks like.
Okay, I was just dividing within the bigger root.
Mhm.
Is that the same thing?
That doesn't matter, just divided by x squared, so if it's technically it's inside the bigger root, it's gonna be like negative sign outside. But that part doesn't matter because that part is really hard to explain.
Yeah.
I don't think even the textbook did a very crappy job.
So just for a basic rule of roots, if you have 16x squared plus 4x, can you split that into square root of 16x squared plus square root of 4x? Or no?
No, it's still lovely.
Okay. I thought because you can rewrite, you can just add the. So is there any other way you can rewrite that or no?
You are saying this equal to square root 9.
Oh. No. There's no other way to rewrite that. No, we just split that up in
I mean, there's a way, algebraically. Look at this probably
I mean, factor
out
4.
the x squared out.
And factor the 4 too.
Yeah, factor the x squared, factor 4 out, but doesn't really help. You thought he did the other question.
But if it's 16, let's say 16 x squared times 4x, then you can
Then you can do
split it up. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, you can split it up.
Like this way?
Because that's
This-
the
this is
square root of AB times square root of A equals square root of A times square root of B.
At least we're the same.
Nothing.
How do you split this one? Oh, just like that. Okay. Okay. So thank you. You're late, man.
Yeah, we're talking about you.
Yes, yeah.
No, pretty much just.
Huh?
Yes, you have.
Yeah.
I came from the house.
I was telling people I have more respect of you than a lot of students combined. So, and you are not even my student.
You were born. Yeah, I moved it. Yeah.
Jared, if you're gonna come here and ask questions, what are you doing? It smells nice. I don't want to get all sweaty. It's not hang on you. But yeah, you gotta get all sweaty. I'm gonna get you anyway.
I solved everything. Right now. I think you're live right now.
My life.
Yeah.
So is it your hour?
You've been live for a little.